We listen carefully to customers' complaints. We hope that you may have a little bit of extra time in your life. So, we created a special vacuum cleaner. This is a handheld vacuum cleaner with a wide nozzle. It allows cleaning wider and faster, and even small areas effectively. You can clean more with the replaceable battery. Here is another companion to save your time. A water mop cleaner. Thanks to our new active driving module, it moves more dynamically even with the water mop. The pressure-sensitive water pump supplies moisture to the mop. Whenever you don't know what to do with the daily household chores, the handheld vacuum and the mobile water mop docking station is there to help you. By putting together, you may enjoy the advantages from the both, vacuuming in front and wiping at the back. Also, the built-in cliff sensors prevent the robot to fall off from the stairs and get damaged. The extension pipe makes the ceiling and the floor easily reachable. You may choose from 3 kinds by purpose. The Cyclone Cleaning offers the best-in-class suction force. Save your time from cleaning. Individually or combined, choose how to use it. 3-in-1 hybrid robot vacuum cleaner, Sensebot.